How to retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure that the application Temu is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then install it. Once the app has been installed, open it. Enter a login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. You will land on this page once you are logged in. Now head over to You at the bottom and then proceed to your order. In this interface right here, you will be able to see all your orders in Temu until now. Now on the top dashboard, you will see various options. Go ahead and tap on the Delivered option and you will be able to see your purchase history. Now go ahead and tap on the Self-Service to find Order option. You can now find any order by simply entering your order ID or your email, or your payment method or phone number. You can also check your reviews to see for the items you have reviewed before.
So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can retrieve your purchase history on Temu application.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.